Good morning, I'm here to show you how to make more of your mornings with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. And this is one that feels a little bit naughty, but it's absolutely not, because it's full of superfoods and lots of lovely good stuff. To start, the most important thing is our yogurt, and absolutely perfect for this recipe is Arla Skyr. This one is super creamy and works perfectly with all our other ingredients. Starting off is really easy. I always use frozen berries. I think it gives you a really nice mix of textures. Some of them will melt and some of them will stay a bit more frozen, so you get a nice bite to it when you eat it. Put the berries in the bottom, spread out, put a few extra frozen ones in there, and then some fresh blueberries, because they're good for you. I'm choosing to use Arla Skyr Creamy because it's so thick and it will hold, look how thick that is. It holds the breakfast together really, really well. So you want to get a nice big dollop of that into your glass. Spread it around a bit. I'm going to do the same into this one. If you want to use chocolate, you don't have to. A little sprinkling of that now is nice, lovely different flavours when you're eating. Then we go in again with another layer of fruit. And again, it's up to you how much or how little of each layer that you want to use, really. A bit more of everything. There we go. Then another layer of the Arla Skyr. You could do another layer if you want, but I'm just going to go straight in now with my layer of chia seeds. There we go. A nice sprinkling of the honey granola on the top. A little bit more chocolate if you fancy. When all this frozen fruit defrosts, it leaves a nice juice at the bottom. Get yourself a little spoonful of the juice and just drizzle it on the top. There we go. Just drizzle that around. And there you go. That's my super easy, super quick breakfast parfait. Now, there's no excuse for a boring breakfast when you can have something like this.